Hi! I see you're about to become smarter. This video will help you to improve your English language skills. So let's begin.
Vice. Vice. Vice means immoral or wicked behavior. For example, an open sewer of vice and crime. An open sewer of vice and crime. Synonyms: immorality, wrongdoing, wrong. Villager. Villager. Villager means person who lives in a village. For example, angry villagers have been forced to leave flooded areas. Angry villagers have been forced to leave flooded areas. Violation. Violation. Violation means action of violating person or thing. For example, the aircraft were in violation of UN resolutions. The aircraft were in violation of UN resolutions. Synonyms: contravention, breach, infringement. Virtue. Virtue. Virtue means behavior showing high moral standards. For example, paragons of virtue. Paragons of virtue. Synonyms: goodness, virtuousness, righteousness. Vulnerability. Vulnerability. Vulnerability means exposure to possibility of being attacked or harmed. For example, conservation authorities have realized the vulnerability of the local population. Conservation authorities have realized the vulnerability of the local population. Ward. Ward. Ward means separate room in hospital. For example, a children's ward. A children's ward. Synonyms: room, compartment, department. Warehouse. Warehouse. Warehouse means large building where raw materials or manufactured goods are stored. For example, they work in restaurants and food preparation, in warehouses and manufacturing. They work in restaurants and food preparation, in warehouses and manufacturing. Synonyms: storeroom, storehouse, store. Warfare. Warfare. Warfare means engagement in or activities involved in war or conflict. For example, guerrilla warfare. Guerrilla warfare. Synonyms: fighting, war, combat. Warrant. Warrant. Warrant means document issued by legal or government official authorizing police or another body to make arrest. For example, magistrates issued a warrant for his arrest. Magistrates issued a warrant for his arrest. Synonyms: authorization, written order, license. Warrior. Warrior. Warrior means brave soldier. For example, the warrior heroes of ancient Greece. The warrior heroes of ancient Greece. Synonyms: fighter, soldier, fighting man. Weed. Weed. Weed means wild plant growing where it is not wanted. For example, keep the seedlings clear of weeds. Keep the seedlings clear of weeds. Well-being. Well-being. Well-being means state of being comfortable or happy. For example, an improvement in the patient's well-being. An improvement in the patient's well-being. Synonyms: welfare, health, good health. Willingness. Willingness. Willingness means quality or state of being prepared to do something. For example, the ability and willingness of workers to migrate. The ability and willingness of workers to migrate. Synonyms: readiness, preparedness, disposition. Wit. Wit. Wit means capacity for inventive thought and quick understanding. For example, he does not lack perception or native wit. He does not lack perception or native wit. Synonyms: intelligence, shrewdness, astuteness. Withdrawal. Withdrawal. Withdrawal means action of withdrawing something. For example, the withdrawal of legal aid. The withdrawal of legal aid. Synonyms: removal, taking away. Workout. Workout. Workout means session of vigorous physical exercise or training. For example, John does daily workouts in the gym. John does daily workouts in the gym. Synonyms: exercise session, keep fit session, physical training session. Worship. Worship. Worship means feeling or expression of reverence and adoration for deity. For example, the worship of God. The worship of God. Synonyms: reverence, revering, worshipping. Yield. Yield. Yield means amount produced of agricultural or industrial product. For example, the milk yield was poor. The milk yield was poor. Youngster. Youngster. Youngster means child, young person, or young animal. For example, he will be working with the youth team and offering the youngsters guidance. He will be working with the youth team and offering the youngsters guidance. Synonyms: young person, child, young adult.
Great! Watch again, practice the sound, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button.